So now come to another important functions, another type of function which is called modulus function. You see, modulus function means this type of function. If we put here x, it will give mod of x. And hope all of you know this properties of this modulus. Yes, this modulus will give x if x is greater than 0. It will give minus x. Yes, if x is less than 0, and it will give 0 if x equal to 0. Yes, this is the properties of modulus. Yes, hope all of you know these properties. So this special type of function is called here modulus function. Yes, just you have to remember this thing. So a function which gives this modulus. Yes, if we put here x, it will give mod x. Yes, for example, suppose if we put here 2, it will give mod of 2, and we know mod of 2 is 2. If we put here minus 1, then it will give minus of 1 here, and we know that this minus of 1 will be minus of minus 1, this is 1. Yes, you see, जब minus x less than 0 होता है तो उसका आगे एक minus आ जाता है, तो minus 1 is less than 0, so उसका आगे एक minus आ जाएगा, that means it will give obviously 1. Yes, that means कोई भी चीज दे दो, प्लस दे दो, माइनस दे दो, वो हमेशा क्या करेगा गाइस, एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू दे देगा. Yes, so this is nothing, just modulus function. Yes, you see the definition, f r to r defined by f of x is equal to mod x for each x belongs to r is a modulus function. Yes, and modulus function का ये हिस्ट्री को हम यहाँ में लिख दिया. Yes, and the graph of this modulus function is this one. You see, you consider here this is x axis, here we consider this is y axis. Yes, and this is the modulus function. Yes, देखो modulus function का ग्राफ क्या होता है, x axis का नीचे नहीं आता है, x axis का below नहीं आता है. ठीक है, हमेशा above the x axis होता है. ठीक है, so this is the graph for modulus. So hope this video is helpful for you. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.